Hello everybody and welcome back to Mackenzie's kitchen. My name is Faye Mackenzie. I hope that you are all doing well, you are keeping safe na mumelindwa na Mungu. So it is another day that we have a new recipe. Today we are going to make mboga za kienyeji and I hope that you are going to like them. So before we continue, if it's your first time here, please ensure that you hit that subscription button. Let us go straight to our ingredients. This is all that we need to make our mbogas. We need the mboga. It is a mixture of kanchira, managu, terere, and all that. We need onions. These are 2 large onions. We need tomatoes. We need cooking oil, we need salt, we need cooking cream. So our first step is lighting the fire. After lighting the fire, we are just going to put in our vegetables just as they are, because they have a lot of water. We want them to simmer for some time so that we can drain the water and fry them without water. You see, they have a lot of water, so not that we are not boiling them. Sijaongeza any water here. Then I'm going to cover for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's look at the progress. You can see the water is settling the chin. So I'm just trying to turn them. Let me cover for some few more minutes. So here we go. Naona maji yenye iko ni nyingi sana. So I'm just going to drain the water, then tuendelee na procedure. So here we go. You can see our bogas as they turn brown. They are still green. So just ensure that you don't over cook them. So we continue. In our sufuria we add in our oil. So we add in our onions. Make sure you use a lot of onions. So I'll cover until they turn brown. So I don't want my onion to burn. It has already softened. And I'm now going to add in my mboga. Okay, after adding in, I'll just mix everything here. sure that they are well mixed with the kitunguu and the mafuta. So as you can see, it's dry. There is no unnecessary water. So we are going to add in our tomatoes, apple juice, and our salt. Tunapima kwa macho. Then you are free to add any other spice that you like. Then we cover and we lower our heat cube. So let us check on our tomatoes. They are not yet ready. We want them to cook until they are soft and tender. So they are yet to again. Here we are again. And our tomatoes now are soft and tender, so we are just going to bonda them. Smash them, Meanwhile, please subscribe. Don't watch without subscribing. So here is the point where we add in our cooking cream. That is enough. And mix up everything. So after mixing, we are going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Your cream even. Then we are good to go. So at this point, my burger is very ready. I'm just going to serve it now. So our burgers are ready. You can take them with ugali na kanyama, fish, chapati, whichever meal you like. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe and see you on our next video.